California. Get out there and save a fish from drowning.
Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here, and welcome back to another episode of Saving Fish from Drowning. Today I am at the Blacklick Ridge Pond in Blacklick, Ohio, just outside of Gahanna, and I'm going to be, they have a nice little pond across the street from this park, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Also, what's kind of cool is the Blacklick Creek is just on the other side as well. So I might try to do a little bit of creek fishing too. So subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned. Well, what do you know? I caught a small little crappie. Awesome. Don't catch many crappies. Whoa, 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 we're friends. Yeah, I see that. Come on. Let me just get a good look at you, little guy. Nice little crappie. There we go. Awesome. I caught that on a gulp minnow on a BG1 jig head. It really does help when you release your bail. Step one. All right. Well, I caught the fish. He fell off. He's a little stunned. That's a shiner. He's just a little dazed. I think those are called creek chubs. Awesome. So I never knew this place existed. There's actually another path here along the creek. This is really cool. I've never been here, so this is a very cool new experience for me. All right, we caught another fish. We got a green sunfish here. And boy, he choked it. All right, there he goes.